Hi guys, my name is Benjamin.
And me, Stefan. As we have shown you previously how to make classic hummus and homemade falafel, we show you how to make a delicious wrap, quick and easy. Let's go. Our hummus, you just spread it over the wrap. The wraps or tortillas, how you name it, you find in every convenience store nowadays, and they actually are pretty good.
I show you. When you take an avocado, take a spoon. It's very easy when you take it under the skin and outside and finish.
Here we have some nice romaine hearts. You just cut it in half. And we call this in the kitchen jargon, julienne.
Stefan, can I give you the falafels?
Yes. So, we just put 3, 4, 5, maybe 4 is enough, otherwise it's get too big. A little bit of the romaine julienne, right in the middle. Then we use the freshly cut avocado. Make sure they are very ripe, not too hard. There is a tip actually. When you buy avocado, they are mainly always hard. So put it a couple of days before into rice. If you have a bag of 5 kilo rice, just put the avocados in. And it needs around 2 or 3 days and they are getting very ripe. So it's a little secret. Then cherry tomatoes.
Need more?
That's okay. Then we use a little bit fresh coriander, chopped. And a little bit of parsley if you want.
Roll it a little bit on the plate. And then you must look, your fingers is inside. And then slice very slow and fine.
Lovely, Benjamin. So, take a handful, just sprinkle it a little bit over. Not too much because also coriander is quite intense in flavor. So, what we don't want is to overpower with the coriander. A little bit of olive oil if you want. Drizzle it a little bit over and a pinch of salt. Just a little bit, give it a little kick. So, and then you just wrap it. Just push it a little bit. And here we go. Cut the ends off. And in the middle, you give it a side cut. And look at this, guys. Boom.
I have sliced a little bit cress. This we can take on top. It looks a little bit better. And from the herbs what we have inside, we can take also a little bit on top. And then, Stefan, I think we are finished.
We have it done. So guys, delicious wrap, homemade hummus, falafel, avocado. Thank you for watching us. If you like, please subscribe, like us, or any question, give us a comment and see you next time.
Bye.